Hi folks, Christian here, and we'll be looking at the first bit of track that's laid on the Eastside West Midlands Metro. And then of course there it is, and this is outside the coach station in Digbeth. First load track, and the Eastside of course will be going from Ball Street past Curzon Street Station down towards Digbeth High Street. I can see it's starting to build here. I do also believe they're starting to do the track near the Ball Street Metro stop as well. This is the route we're taking. A lot of changes are happening of course in Digbeth. They're doing the pavements and the street areas as well. And of course it's the old, well not the old coach station, this is the new coach station. I remember the coach station from the 90s. I must admit the new one is a much bigger improvement. Of course this is the route going to go past the coach station down towards the end track. There's going to be 4 stops in total. One of them is going to be Albert Street. The second is going to be of course Curzon Station. Third in Meriden Street, and the fourth is going to be Digbeth High Street by the college. That's down there, you can see. If you want me to do a more up-to-date look at the Eastside extension, I will do another video. Please leave a like and a comment down below if you want me to do that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!